Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you a very simple pack that will work as cleanser, scrubber as well as pack too. This pack is for feet cleaning as this one is requested video. Okay, so why I'm not doing complete pedicure process, why I'm only suggesting you a pack, because I personally don't have enough time to do pedicure every time or to invest my 1 hour in pedicure. I seriously don't have that much time, but yes, I can go with a simple pack. I mean, I can give 20 minutes to my feet cleaning, that's it. So these 20 minutes I like to invest in pack, not in pedicure. If you want, you can do complete pedicure. If you have enough time, free time, then you can do, that is totally optional, but personally I don't like to do pedicure and all. Let's see how to make this pack and then we will discuss how to use it and what are the benefits and how long you have to use it for a good result. So let's begin with the video.
Okay, so I'm starting with taking a tomato and I'm gonna grate this because I need tomato pulp to make my paste. This is how you have to do it, and if you want you can blend it too. Why I'm using tomato? Because tomato has bleaching property and it has skin whitening properties too that instantly give glow to our skin, no matter where you are use it. I mean, whether you use it on your face or on your body or on your feet, it give instant glow to your skin. So this is what I seriously like. Next ingredient you will gonna need is gram flour, and here I am taking 2 spoon gram flour. Next I am adding 1 spoon rice flour, and next I am gonna add half a spoon baking soda. Why I am using baking soda? To scrub my feet, because baking soda is very good exfoliator and it exfoliates the skin like so good. Next I am adding some turmeric, because turmeric is very well known ingredient to remove the darkness, any kind of darkness or dark spot. Next I am adding my tomato pulp and I'm gonna mix all the ingredients really well. To set the consistency to make my pack, I'm gonna add some curd water. If you want you can use curd too. Next I am adding some honeys to moisturize the skin, and I'm gonna mix all the ingredients really well. If you want to prepare the pack only with using tomato pulp, you can do so, but if you like to use anything else to make your pack like raw milk or curd water, then you can use that too. So my pack is ready. You have to clean your feet before applying this, and this is how you have to apply the pack, and give it a good massage of 1 minute and then leave it on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes or until it gets dry. Then by the time it will get absorbed into the skin, and then you can wash it off. You have to repeat this at least thrice a week for best result, and if you want you can use it regularly. This is very good and effective pack and it gives instant glow. With regular use of this pack you can achieve good and healthy glowing skin, healthy feet, and you can remove the suntan and darkness. You can also moisturize your skin at the same time, and this is very effective affordable pack. If you don't have any ingredient, then you can use substitute of it. For best result you have to continue with the remedy at least for a month, and result may vary skin to skin, and time also vary skin to skin. On some people it gives result in 7 days, on some in 15 days. It depends on how severe your skin issue is. So this is how you have to do it. If you are my regular viewer, then you must know how obsessed I am with coconut oil, and that's why I'm using coconut oil as moisturizer, because I don't like to use moisturizing cream, lotion and all. I personally like to use coconut oil only. So this is how I do it and moisturize my skin. And I don't know if it is visible in video or not, but yes, it does remove suntan up to 20% in first use. So if you use it 3-4 times you will get 100% result.
So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you do so, then come back to my channel, and thanks for watching my video. I will be back soon in my next video. If you have any query, any request, something like that, or any confusion, just leave it in comment section. I will surely get back to you, reply to you, and yes, try my best to solve all your queries. Okay, so till the next time, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.